I wake up this morning. I'm going on my pre-market checklist. I'm trying to find out what's trading for the day with some buy-ins. So yesterday's watch list, last night at least, I had Jill, UONEK, I had CARV, and I had CLIR. So I wake up this morning, I see a big move right here on UONEK early morning. What's going on right here? So I go from this to my chart. I type in UONEK. I notice here the high 721. So I already know it may test that value this pre-market, as it's gonna do it right now, I'm sure. So I'm watching like what's going on with UONEK. Yesterday it was a big runner, but today it's still running, retracing. But there was no news on it because again, it's not UONE, it's UONEK, which is the sister brother company of UONE. So I'm watching for the volume. So at that point, volume was I think 2 million at that point. So find the volume in the stock. Here we go. It's 5 million now. So I had a 5 million, 45 million share float. When I found it was 2 million in volume being traded. So I looked at it right here for this pullback. So I watched this red candle on a 15-minute chart, and I noticed that the first green candle usually my buy-in point. So it went over here this first red green candle, and it made a move. My next thing was okay, buy the second. Let me phrase that: the first green candle or the new high of the day, which is right here. So I watched it a bit, and I hopped in it at 528. So all I wanted to do was get $100 out of it because that's my daily goal. But I knew it can go higher than $6. So I said, you know what? Let me take about a dollar. Well, my mind was a dollar. Take about a dollar off this and keep on pushing. But the volume was too strong to do that. So you look here. You look at the freaking volume of the stock. So from here, I don't act right today. So from here to here was a 35% move on that one candle. 35.25% on the 1 5-minute candle at that point, but did it in 3 minutes. That's crazy, right? So I say, man, this is a pretty good move on this candle. Let me hold it one more candle at least before I sell it to see if it's gonna pull back. So I watch it right here. It went up, but it pulled back. So let me get out of the stock and keep on pushing because I got somewhere to be. So I put him on order 603. It got filled. I got out, pushed on. But in the group, I said, okay, listen. UONEK is a stock to move on. I put in the group and I watched it. And then I got in, got out. But I know for a fact, this hot 721 gonna get destroyed. Probably gonna be $8 by the market opening. So no news. This random Urban One, which is I think it's energy or communications. Communications. So this morning they hot. So I'm still watching. I got about 10 minutes more trading before I gotta go. But it's right here. UONEK. I bought 600 shares, 450 profit. Bought 528. Sold 603. And I think I did all that in less than 5 minutes. But yeah, scanner's not showing nothing this morning. Can't find nothing worth even looking at right now besides UONEK. And everybody doing what I'm doing, watching the same stock. But I do think, at least I'm trading, I do think UONE may also move as well as UONEK. So, check it out. UONE. The stock yesterday went up 30 times the profit. Went from $5 in the pre-market to $40. That's crazy. You look right now, it's pulled back at the market. Profit taken this morning, 4 a.m. Profit taken. And here it is now on the move up. Let's watch this. Now, I am not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just showing you what I look at and what I see. If you look here, it's a bunch of fake outs at the MACD, a bunch of fake outs, and you look at the freaking RSI, bunch of fake outs, but overall consolidation. Now, if I was buying the stock right now, I would buy it at the first green candle that makes a new high over the previous green. So in this case, previous green there, second green candle, I would have bought in at approximately 23.65. So I'd have had a $4 ride right now. Easy. So the money's there. In fact, in the sniper group, I'm going to tell you guys, I am watching this stock again. Not give you no kind of advice. Just telling you what I'm looking at. So you watch this while you look. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I never trade the 15-minute candle. I just watch it, see the momentum, what's going on. So in this case, I already seen it. It's reversing, the RSI reversing, the MACD reversing. So what I do is I'll go to 5-minute candle and I watch for this movement. You see here, it pulled back there, strong move. I told you earlier I was gonna buy that 22, I think I said 23 something for the $28 moves right there. I would have got out the first pullback red candle, was probably right here. I would have sold right here in the red candle out. So I probably got in 23 bucks some change, and then we got out probably like $26. So I could have made $3 a share if I would have bought it and held it, but could have, should have, would have. I didn't do that. With that being said, oh, let me go backwards. Hold on. UONEK. Now I don't use trend lines that often, or you can draw it easily from this bottom green candle straight up. You will see that's gonna straight up in the air. But I don't draw trend lines. I just look at previous support and resistance. In this case, from here was support, but from that point forward, it's open. Nothing to resist. First resistance spot was right here, which was $6.36. So you could have potentially bought it down here and ran it up. See, they go to high today. I told you. You're gonna hit $8 for the beginning of the market. It's almost guaranteed. Yep. It's crazy. I missed all that money on the table. $1.34. I could have been trading it still, but I logged off and logged back on to make this video. It's crazy. Oh well. Can't win them all. However, 450 is not bad. One trade away.